My name is Julia Meyer-Hendricks and I'm Head of Business Development for Digital Manufacturing. In our world at ModuleWorks, it's all about toolpaths and digital manufacturing. So when we develop software for machining and toolpath calculation, we do all this under the assumption that we live in an ideal world. No forces, no temperatures, and not even a machine. And this theoretical thinking, when we apply it to the real world, obviously can cause problems. So today, physics will meet geometry and toolpaths, and I like to invite you to follow me into the world of digital, but also real machining. So let's go.
Can you say a few words about yourself and how was the start of MAL?
Before I started my PhD, I worked as a machine tool chem and machine and process planning engineer in industry for about 4 years. I was chief engineer of CAD/CAM Center of Canada back in 1981. After I finished my PhD, I realized that CAM systems do not have any physics in it. So when I became a young professor, that was my first project. We developed 2.5-axis CAM system with integrated physics, which could calculate force, torque, power, vibrations, and deflections. I pioneered this approach starting in 1987. I'm still working on it. And we developed a couple of products which were supported by large companies such as General Motors, Boeing, and Pratt & Whitney Canada. And now we decided to work with ModuleWorks to advance this technology in the world market.
Thank you, Yusuf, for the introduction. Seems like you have a very, very long history in manufacturing already. So, Yavuz, do you remember how you crossed the path of Yusuf and MAL?
Yes, it was more than 30 years back, Julia, and I was working at WZL as a assistant researcher, and Yusuf was a guest professor and he was doing research in adaptive control on the process. So I had an interesting, challenging task to work on active damping of CNC machines in the research area, and that was our first meeting. I was quite excited about the sophistication of the algorithms Yusuf applied to the physics. It took almost a decade that now we feel it's the right time to bring these two complementary technologies together to give the power to the user, at the same time optimize it for the given process. So it is a very special relationship, more than 30 years, and it's a very special company, MAL. We are very proud that we could now sign the collaboration agreement with MAL to bring this to the world market together.